Hi everyone, it's Michael Ryer with Good to Go. As you know, we launched a brand new feature this week, which was the ability to send out a folder of files for review and approval. So let me show you how you can do this, and we're going to show you a couple different ways to do it. One is starting with a new job and new folder, and the other one is working with stuff that you may have already existing in your Good to Go environment. So to start off with, let's start with the new job. In this case, I'll just call it test folder 1. And I'm going to give it a customer email right there and create that. So we got test folder 1. And here you can see I can take some files, drag and drop them in here. Now, one thing that's important, you'll notice, because I created that folder and already gave it a customer email, we're automatically applying that customer email to all the files inside. That's very important because we need to make sure we know who is going to be doing the review for each of those files. So with that folder defined and the email applied, it's all ready to go. So we'll just send that off for review. Of course, you got all your standard messages, deadlines, and everything. If you got all that set up, just like with any other file review, so you just send that along, and away it goes. And we'll show you here in a little bit what the review side looks like. But let's say we got a folder here, and it's got some files in it, and it has no customer email assigned to it. So in this case, what we want to do is we need to assign it a customer email. So I'm going to click here. That pulls up the sidebar. Let's go ahead for the customer. We'll stick in a customer email. Again, I'll use the Ryer 217 email, and I'll save it. Now you'll notice by saving that, it now gives that email to the folder, but not to the files inside of that folder. So to get it to apply to the files inside of that folder, we also need to scroll down and select Apply Folder Properties, and that will apply it to all the files that are in that folder. Okay? So there again, now this is ready to go. So you just say Send for Review. Done. Now, let's switch over and take a look at what it looks like from the designer standpoint or from the print buyer standpoint. They're going to get the email notice just like we are right now. Here we go. Let's go ahead and click on that email, hit the review now, and they get a nice little summary of what files they need to review. Now they can review each one of these individually, or they can go ahead and review them all at the same time. So here in this interface, they review it just like you would in the normal Good to Go. And then you can work your way through, and they can approve each one of these individually. Or if they got changes, they can ask for changes individually. So you got one way to navigate right through this and either approve or reject the different artwork as needed. Now, one thing just to note here too, you'll notice like this button's a little small and hard to see. We're going to be improving some of these UI things over the next couple weeks because we wanted to get them out there to get some feedback from people first. So if you see anything that you say, I wish this was a little different, let me know. Now, from a client standpoint, if they've done their review and you can see they're all approved, they're done. They're good to go. They can just quit. If they want to add any additional comments and submit that to you, they can do that as well. But otherwise, they are done. We can go back here to the Good to Go workspace, and if I go to the status workspace, I can see right here those 3 documents all show up approved, just like they would if they were individual documents sent out. So it's a quick way to send out multiple documents to the same client, get their feedback, and get their final print approval. So let us know if you have any questions. Let us know if you have any comments. Feedback is always important. If you think something could be better or look better or more readable, please let us know. We already got some things we know we want to tweak and change, but we're always open for real customer comments and feedback. So Thank you very much, and look forward to hearing what you think of the new Send a Folder of Files for Review and Approval. Thank you.